Are you struggling with stubborn acne that just won't go away? Today, we're diving into the real causes of acne and the best natural remedies you can try at home to reduce breakouts, redness, and scars. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss natural health and skincare tips like this. First, let's talk about what really causes acne. Acne happens when the sebaceous glands in your skin become overly sensitive and start producing too much oil. This oil can clog pores, attract bacteria, and trigger inflammation, leading to pimples, blackheads, and cysts. But there's more to it. Hormones play a big role, especially during puberty or with conditions like PCOS. Genetics can make you more prone to breakouts. Certain medications like steroids, lithium, or anticonvulsants can worsen acne. Restrictive clothing like headbands, bras, or backpacks can trap sweat and bacteria, and lifestyle factors like smoking have even been linked to something called smoker's acne. Now, let's move into the good part. Natural remedies you can try at home. While not every remedy works for everyone, some do have research to back them up. Tea tree oil. This natural antibacterial can kill acne-causing bacteria and reduce redness. A 2019 study showed tea tree oil significantly reduced acne sores. Apple cider vinegar. It contains citric acid, which may help kill bacteria and even reduce scarring, though more research is needed. Aloe vera, known for calming burns. Aloe is also antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Studies show it can reduce bumps and lesions when used regularly. Jojoba oil. It's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores. In fact, a 2012 study found that jojoba oil masks improved acne by more than 50%. Green tea. Drinking it or applying it topically may lower sebum production and reduce blackheads. One study showed up to an 89% reduction in whiteheads and blackheads. Honey packed with antioxidants. Honey has been used for centuries to clear clogged pores and reduce bacteria. Zinc, whether applied topically or taken as a supplement, zinc may help reduce redness and inflammation. Other herbs and oils like argan oil, echinacea, rosemary, and coconut oil have shown promise in reducing inflammation and calming acne-prone skin. Reminder, always do a patch test before applying oils or natural remedies directly to your face. Along with remedies, your daily habits play a huge role in managing acne. Here are some proven lifestyle tips. Avoid touching or popping pimples. It only makes things worse. Choose gentle cleansers with the right pH to avoid irritating your skin. Use oil-free and non-comedogenic products so your pores can breathe. Stay hydrated. Water helps your skin repair and heal. Reduce stress through meditation, yoga, or exercise. Stress hormones can trigger flare-ups. Get enough sleep and eat a balanced diet. Both can support clear, healthy skin. So there you have it, the main causes of acne, powerful home remedies, and daily habits that can keep your skin clear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who struggles with acne. And let me know in the comments, which of these remedies are you excited to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.